Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LastPass, manage password vault securely step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the LastPass website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the LastPass homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your master password in the designated password field. Ensure that your password is typed correctly. If you have enabled multi-factor authentication, you may need to enter the verification code sent to your device. After filling in the required fields, click on the Login button. Wait for a moment as LastPass processes your login credentials. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your LastPass vault. Now you can manage your saved passwords securely. Familiarize yourself with the vault interface. You can search for specific passwords or browse through categories. To add a new password, click on the Add Item option. Fill in the necessary details for your new password entry. Once completed, click Save to store the information. To log out, return to the main vault page. Look for the profile icon or account menu, usually at the top right. Click on it, and select the Log Out option. You have successfully logged into LastPass and are now able to manage your password vault efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.